Smooth stone is a great looking piece of decoration and can also be used to craft certain items. Step 1. Craft a furnace. We're going to need a furnace to create the smooth stone we're wanting. This takes 8 cobblestone and can be arranged in a crafting table. Step 2. Find coal or chop down some trees. Once we've got our furnace, we're going to want to place that on the ground or wherever you want it in your home base. We'll need some fuel for the furnace, so either find some coal or chop down some trees and put it in the bottom area of the furnace. Step 3. Burn up some cobblestone. Then, we're going to need some cobblestone again. Put that in the top empty box of the furnace and it should start to do its magic. Step 4. Turn stone into smooth stone. This will create your regular stone. Now, that's not what we needed, but we're on the right tracks. Craft as much of that stone as you're going to want for the smooth version, and then place the stone you've crafted into the furnace where the cobblestone was. That will then burn through again, and this will create you the smooth stone you've been looking to make.